From old-fashioned hamburgers to gourmet seafood, the Wild Fork here at Utica Square has kept customers happy and coming back for more than 25 years.
She's a great cook, you kidding me? Yeah, we've been eating here a long time.
Stop into the Wild Fork, and there's a good chance you'll run into Don Eller and his buddies. They've been eating here a few days a week ever since it opened. The BLT is usually Don's go-to.
BLT is the world's greatest, although I get a Cobb salad now with Louis dressing. It's really good.
For those who've been coming here for a while, they've noticed a change. It's the same great food, but there's a new look to the place. In 2020, the Wild Fork underwent a big renovation, giving it a light and airy feel, along with a much bigger bar area.
The restaurant itself, yes, it's beautiful and it's comfortable and it's someplace you would want to be just to relax.
Owner Julie Woolman says customers will find her food is made to order. It comes from a lot of old family recipes and experience. Everything's made fresh every day, right down to the dressings and desserts.
We don't buy anything that comes in a box or a can, it's just like, it's all old style cooking. Instead of buying soups in a box, we make soup. Instead of buying stock in a box, we make stock. From the bottom to the top, we work at that.
The Wild Fork's not only open for lunch and dinner, it's also open for breakfast, and there is plenty to choose from on the menu.
We ate Julie's food for easily 25 years for breakfast.
Delicious. It's amazing. We like to come here for brunch, so brunch is really good. Really good.
Kayla Hingle likes to change up the orders on her visits.
The salads are great. Really, the appetizers are good as well, kind of like a southern feel to it, so I kind of get something different every time.
Start out with fried crab cakes and jalapeno slaw, or the fantastic fried shrimp and hush puppies. The everything cheese straws are crispy puff pastries with Romano and Parmesan, sprinkled with everything bagel seasoning. For lunch, maybe try the Southern 5-spice catfish. Get it grilled or fried. Julie says each meal has its popular staples.
The grilled chicken sandwich, the Mediterranean burger at lunch, Southwest omelet at breakfast, dinner, salmon. It's like huge, hi baby. Salmon is a huge grilled item that everybody eats.
From steaks and pastas to the savory shrimp and pimento cheese grits. You can't go wrong with any of it.
It's very good, very tasty.
If you're looking for something lighter, go with any of the salads, wraps, or sandwiches, like the lentil and feta. You'll definitely find that the menu is full of variety.
We're not trendy, but we like to go with trend. So, you need the non-gluten, we'll do the non-gluten. We need vegetarian, we do the vegetarian, etc., etc. It just has to be house-made.
House-made and really good. No matter what you order, Julie wants to make sure her customers leave full, relaxed, and happy.
Everything else will be happening around you, but you can come here and just relax. Take a break.
The Wild Fork is open 7 days a week, hours vary. In Tulsa's Utica Square, I'm Jason Grubbs for Discover Oklahoma.